everybody, this is Roxy, and I have a somewhat large Dollar Tree haul in that I bought a lot of duplicates kind of thing. So word has it on the street that I'm up doing my art layer. I am honing in on maybe just a few types of crafts that I want to make. Cards, journals, painting, and that's about it. I will keep like some of my fabrics and felt and sewing essentials, but otherwise I've got boxes and boxes of craft items that I'm purging. I'm going to sell, I guess, but a lot of it's going to go to a women's shelter that I love donating to. They help women that are poor to keep their babies and to have healthy pregnancies. So I think it's a great service that they're doing. They all volunteer at the thrift store. They sell everything for 35 cents or $1. I think the most I've seen was $4 for something. So they're not in it for the money. They're in it for the charity, which is where I like to put my stuff. Anyways, back to this. So this is kind of just a awesome find while I was searching for containers and whatnot at the Dollar Tree. They had a whole box of these. I left a bunch, and I really wanted to take them all, but you gotta share the wealth. So I just got 5 of them, but that was a few weeks ago. When I go back, if they're still there, I will take the rest because nobody wants them. All right, so that's just that. I finally found some. I really like the Avery glue for glue sticks, and these are always hard to find. So I found had a bunch there, and I took 3 of them. Then for my art layer, I used to have one of those tall 12 by 12 racks, and I sold it last week within 3 minutes of putting it on Marketplace. This girl emailed and said, "My mom's at Container Store right now looking for stuff like that." And she said, "Can she come get it?" I go, "Absolutely." So she was there like an hour later. Bing, bang, boom, it was gone. So what I did, I think was it January? Around Christmas, holidays. I was poking around a Marketplace, and there's these antique stores in North St. Paul that were shutting down, and one dealer had a set of 3 adorable homemade bookcases that had scallop on the top, but you had to take all the books with it. So I got that for $25, and then I am donating most of the books to this shelter, plus there's another shelter closer to me that are taking care of poor families and pregnant women, and so I'll bring some to them too, because they have a thing where families can come and hang out, have lunch, and then they've got like a library for kids. And I had a ton of little kid books that I either gave to friends, and or the rest are going to go to these shelters. Anywho, that's where I put all my 12 by 12s now, and I love it. Anyway, so what I did, Catherine, Do It on a Dime, has this on her video where you take 3 of these and zip tie them together, and then you can use them as, like paper holders or whatever. So I did that for each shelf, so my 12 by 12 stand up nice and straight, because prior to that they were curling over. So that is a great idea. Thank you, Catherine, as if you're watching. This I bought these online and these online at Dollar Tree. They're not available in the store. These are awesome. I bought 12 of these and 24 of these, online. And these are really cool. So I will show hopefully I've got enough before pictures, because this place was a mess. It was like, I felt like I was a little rat going through the tunnels. Ugh, it was just too much. So I'm using these in my huge, it's kind of like a hutch that is behind me that has all my supplies. And then these are going to be for my bookshelves, are going to be all my ephemera and whatnot for junk journals. So this happens to be homemaking. I haven't tagged them yet. So it's just stuff that you'd use in like recipe books, you know, stuff like that. I have way more than this. But this is just a handy grab and go kind of thing. So that's that. Also on my bookshelf I have, I'll put a picture in because it's real dark there. I can't get a good photo. But they're the black paper trays that snap together. So I bought 15 of those, 15 of these. These are in the teacher section. You get, they have green, blue, orange, and pink. I wish they were clear, but they're not, so it's fine. So these are going to be separate, like it says, different ephemera. Like in this case, this can be anything, like just a random stamp, because I have a random candle stamp, and just stuff like this, so I can dig through these and get what I want for junk journals. And they're nice. They're nice little things. I went to my favorite store over here, and they didn't have any on the shelf, but the manager and this gal were like really going at it, putting shelf stuff out. And I just asked, I go, do you have any of those? So she came out with a box. She goes, well, how many do you want? I go, can I have them all? So I got them all. So I have 15 of these. I keep forgetting. So I'm getting real organized. What else do I have that I'm organizing that I got? Oh yeah, Aldi's. Yes, or the Sunday this past week, they have a rolling cart, and I like those little. They're the ones with the little skinny drawers, and I am getting rid of one thing, cleared out all the drawers, threw a lot of it away, and then I filled up this new little Aldi cart, with whatever I actually needed and kept. So I'm really downsizing. I'm getting proud of myself, but I'm also getting real tired of it, because it's just like, it's one thing after the next. You know what I mean? It's like you get one done and it's like, ooh, now I got to tackle that. But I'm just pushing forward, and I've got a lot of encouragement, so that helps. Anywho, this is my little Dollar Tree haul. So I will show a picture of the bookshelves. They're so cute. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know if you guys are reorganizing or doing anything. I have some good ideas. I'll do some photos of my lair, and you might have some ideas. Alrighty, see you later. Bye.